Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we'll be doing question number 2, exercise 9a. Question says, find the value of a. We need to find value of a if a ratio 400 is equal to 6 ratio 25. So this is the a part which says we don't know the value of a. So we need to calculate the value of a, and it is given that a ratio 400 is equal to 6 ratio 25. This is a new question now for you. Here what we need to do is that the extreme ends, these are two extreme ends, these will be multiplied together. We'll be writing a multiplied by 25, then we'll put equal sign, then this middle one, these will be multiplied 400 into 6. By this way we'll be finding the value of a. 25 will go to that side, so it will be divided because it is here being multiplied. 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 16s are 80, 16 6 are 96. The value of a is 96. The method was that the extreme ends, they were multiplied, then we put equal sign, then inside values these were multiplied. Then from this equation we found out the value of a by simple calculations. It was found to be 96. Now we'll be doing part B. Part B says, given that 5b ratio 8 is equal to 2 ratio 5, then find the value of b. We need to find the value of b. Here again the same procedure. These extreme ends, these will be multiplied together, then these middle values, these will be multiplied together, and then in between we will put the equal sign. So it will be 5b multiplied by 5, then we put equal sign, then 8 multiplied by 2. From this equation we will try to solve the value of b. This 5 will go to the other side. Here it is being multiplied. When it goes to the other side, it will be divided. Again this 5b is 5 multiplied by b. We will take this 5 to the other side. It will be divided there, down. Okay. So 8 2s are 16, 5 5s are 25. This is the answer for part B. So now we have completed question 2 of exercise 9b. It was having, sorry, 9a. It was having 2 parts. So we have completed both the parts. Now we will be doing question 3. We are doing quickly because these are very small and simple questions. Part 3 is, question 3 is, given that 2x over 5 is equal to 3y over 8, then find the ratio of x ratio y. We need to find x ratio of y. It means we need to find the value of x over y. It is equal to x ratio y. Both are same things. So for this, simply we will do the cross multiplication. These will be multiplied together. These will be multiplied together. 2x multiplied by 8 is equal to 5 multiplied by 3y. So 8 will be multiplied with 2x, it becomes 16x is equal to 15y. 5 3s are 15. We need x over y. So we will divide this with 16, this with 16, this goes with 6, this, we get x is equal to 15 over 16 y is in multiplication. When we take y to this side, it will be divided. X over y is equal to 15 over 16. So this is, we can write it like this: x ratio y is equal to 15 ratio 16. This and this both are same. So I'll recap this question. It was given that 2x over 5 is equal to 3y over 8. So the requirement was to find the x ratio y. We simply cross multiplied. 2x was multiplied with 8 is equal to 3y was multiplied with 5. So we got 2x into 8, 16x is equal to 5 into 3, 15y. Then we multiplied 8 with 2x, it became 16x, and 5 with 3y, it became 15y. Then we divided both sides with 16, so x is equal to 15 over 16y. Then we took y to other side, it became x over y is equal to 15 over 16. This is the answer. So x over y and x ratio y are the same, is equal to 15 over 16 and 15 ratio 16. Both are same. Okay. Now I will be talking about question number 4. Question number 4 says, given that A ratio B ratio C is equal to A ratio B ratio C is equal to 75 ratio 120 ratio 132. This is given. A ratio B ratio C is equal to 75 ratio 120 ratio 132. Question part 1 says, simplify A ratio B ratio C. Simplify. We need to simplify A ratio B ratio C. So just it is a very simple that we need to simplify A ratio B ratio C. So we will simplify this side, right side of equality. This we need to simplify. It remains same. So we start with, we need to divide all three numbers with the same table. It will be, how can we do is that we divide with 3, 350 are 75, 340 are 120, 3 4s are 12, 3 4s are 12. So we get, when we divide these three numbers with 3 on the table of 3, we get 15, 40 and 54. So we get 15, 40, 44. Now this 15, 40, 44, we cannot divide these with the same table. So this is the answer. So we have simplified the A ratio B ratio C, and our answer is 15 ratio 40 ratio 44. Now we'll be doing part 2 and part 3. Part 2 says, find B ratio A. Find B ratio A. So B, this is A ratio B ratio C. This is A, this is B, and this is C. So we need to find B ratio C. B is this 120, A is 75. So we can simplify this. If we divide this with 5, it becomes this, okay. Then again we divide with 3, it becomes 8 ratio 5. So our answer is B ratio A is equal to 8 ratio 5. Okay. So we solved the part 2. Now we will be doing part 3. Find B ratio C. Part 3 is find B ratio C. B is 120, C is 132. We'll be simplifying these two with 3. 3 4s are 12, 0. 40, 44, then we divide with 2. Again we divide with 2. So we get B ratio C as 10 ratio 11. This is the answer for part 2. So by this way, we have solved all 3 parts of question number 4.